Hello, ElectricMoves community. Today we're going to dive into a fascinating GitHub project called DOZE-TWEAK. This project is all about understanding and tuning your Android device's idle state transitions. So if you're an Android user, especially those running Android 6 Plus with DOZE, this video is for you. First, let's talk about DOZE. DOZE is a power-saving feature introduced in Android 6.0 Marshmallow that helps extend battery life by putting your device into a low-power state when it's idle. But how can we make the most out of it? That's where DOZE-TWEAK comes in. However, there are some caveats. For instance, the original DOZE, or Deep DOZE, is available on Android 6 Plus and Light DOZE only on Android 7 Plus. Older phones without such motion sensor, e.g. SMD, cannot benefit from Deep DOZE. Some battery-saving apps would disable, i.e., actually restrict sensors to other apps, but Deep DOZE will still have to depend on motion sensors. Now, let's talk about the setup. The repository provides instructions on how to inspect current DOZE settings, inspect any customized DOZE settings, and configure customized DOZE settings. Please note that you might need to watch carefully, and this video is for non-root and root access for setup also. Most likely this video subscribers, and don't forget to click notification bell for updated all my videos, and please don't forget this. Don't skip the ads to help me grow. Thank you. Let's do this.
a void opened in the air. Suck me up, cause I really don't care. While I'm falling, I wonder if you would miss me when I'm gone. While I'm falling, I wondered if you would miss me when I am gone. I feel so hollow, hollow inside, hollow inside. Promise me everything, promise me everything, but please don't lie.
Hey guys, welcome to Tunjits Go's April weekly group activity. In April, Tunjits Go rolled out a series of group activities. And the best part? You'll have the chance to win Gastars, which you can swap for load and then get your favorite NLBB skins. Let's dive into the details. Color Game Surprise Raffle. Are you ready for some surprises? Simply bet some assets and you'll be entered into Color Game Surprise Raffle. With each bet, you could win up to 1,000 Gastars. 1,000 Gastars equals 1,000 load. It's your opportunity to boost your Ghostar stash and get one step closer to your favorite NLBB skins. And if that's not enough, Gastars can also be converted for a variety of gifts and Sodexo passes in Reward Center, Poker, and Puzoi Table Lucky Raffle. Luck could be on your side at the Poker and Puzoi tables. Just play some hands in Poker and Puzoi and win some stakes or amount. You will have a lucky raffle every day in the prize pool, and you could be the next lucky winner. The link is in the description section. Let's download Tunjits Go and join the group now. Don't miss the opportunity to win the big prize. See you at the group table.